Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS home school. This is Emdadul, assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal International School, Dashi. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 2.2, question 12. This question I will solve in today's class, and this question is given for your homework also. This is your homework 3 of annual term examination. Okay dear students, when I will complete our today's class, you will be able to learn question 12 and then you can do the homework properly, understanding the solution. Okay dear students, now let us see question 12 at first. What is given here? At first see that solution. Read the question at first. What is the question? Question 12. A person borrows taka 5,000 from a lending organization at the rate of 8% compound profit. At the end of every year, he paid off taka 2,000. How many more money will he have as loan after paying off the second installment? Okay dear students, from this question we can understand that a person borrows taka 5,000 from a lending organization, suppose from a bank, when and the rate of compound profit is 8%. The rate of compound profit is 8%. When 1 year will be completed, then he has to pay the installment. First installment he has to pay 2,000 taka, and after completing the second year he has to pay the second installment of 2,000 taka. After paying the second installment, how much money will remain to pay? This amount of money we need to determine. Okay dear students, so let us see how can we solve. Dear students, to solve this, at first we need to determine the compound principal at the end of first year, and then we need to pay off the first installment. After the paying of first installment, we need to determine the compound principal for the second year. So we can write here, given principal is taka, principal P equal to taka 5,000, and rate of compound profit R equal to 8%, that is equal to 8 by 100, or we can write here another if we want, we can write here 2 by 25. Okay dear students, so we can write here, if we cut this by 4, it will be 2, it will be 25, so we can write 2 by 25. Okay, now we can determine the compound principal at the end of first year. At the end of first year, compound principal as here the rate of profit is compound, so we have to write compound principal, that is equal to P into 1 plus R. Only this one will be the compound principal at the end of first year. Dear students, you know compound principal C equal to P into 1 plus R whole to the power n. As this is for the first year, so value of n will be 1. If it is 1, you can write or not, the value remains same. For this I have written here P into 1 plus R, P into 1 plus R. Now put the value of P and R, you will get the compound principal. Value of P is taka 5,000, 1 plus R means 2 by 25. So we can calculate here taka 5,000, we can write here 27 by 25. Now if we cut by 25, what will we get here? cut by 25, we will get here 2, then 00, multiply now. 7 to 0 here at first, 7 to 14, 1 left, 2 to 4 and 1 5. So 5400 is the compound principal at the end of first year. As first year completed, now the person will pay the first installment. So we can write, after paying off taka 2000 as first installment. First installment, the remaining amount equal to we have to write here taka 5400 minus 2000. If we subtract 2000, we will get here taka 3400. If we subtract, we will get here, this will be taka 3400. Dear students, you know that in case of compound profit, this remaining amount will be used as the principal for the second year. This remaining amount will be used as the principal for the second year. So we can determine the compound principal at the end of second year. So we can write at the end of second year, compound principal. That is equal to, we have to write principal at first, it means taka 3400, as we have to change the principal now. Now 1 plus r, as this is for only for the second year, here is also 1 year, so we can write here, and we know the value of r, that is 2 by 25, so we can write taka 3400 into 1 plus 2 by 25. So we can write here taka 3400, then multiply by, we can write 27 by 25. So we can cut by 25, we can write here at first one time, then what will left, we can divide 3400 by 25, divide by 25, 1 times 25. Now what is remaining here, 14, so 9 remaining here, 90, this should be 3 times 75, 15 will remain here, now 156 times, that is 150. So 136, we can write here to 136. Now multiply this 136 and 27, you will get here, what will you get here? Now check, multiply 136 and 27, multiply 136 and 27, you will get here 136 multiply by 27, you will get 3672, 3672. Okay, dear students, so this is the compound principal at the end of second year. So now we have to pay the second installment. So we can write, after paying the second installment, after paying the second installment, the remaining amount, second installment as equal to, or we can write equal to taka 2000. This is the second installment, the remaining amount. that will be equal to taka 3672 minus 2000. So if we subtract, we will get taka 1672. 1672. If we subtract, we will get this. Okay, dear students. So this amount the person have to pay this amount after paying the second installment. So we can write, therefore the person after paying the second installment, after paying the second installment, the person has to pay or will have to pay, the person will have to pay taka 1672. Okay, dear students, so this is our required answer for question 12. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 12. Do this as your homework properly, submit your homework timely, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, assalamu alaikum.